I will teach you how to get free core blocks in Berry Avenue. So you have to go to body and go to the yellow shirt and we will search core blocks and Death Walker. Oh wait guys. Oh sorry guys. So I read this, so we will search core blocks Death Walker and we will pick this, and you only have to, so if you have an account in Berry Avenue, you have to just search core blocks Death Picker or Death Walker. We have to put on his leg and we will have core blocks. So bye bye, thank you for watching, see you on the next video, bye.